Hello everyone, this is Susan. By the side of English on English training, I can Ghana. So today we are going to share you about one GD. So let my team members introduce themselves. Hello everyone, I am Abu Bakar.
Hello everyone, myself Mohammad Ishaq.
What's up everyone, this is Elham.
What's up guys, this is Sari.
Hello everyone, I am Sushant.
Hello everyone, this is Yuraj. Let's start this GD.
Okay, that's fine. I have some questions, rapidly asked question from the audience about the addiction. So I want to ask you one by one. I hope you answer. So are you guys ready?
Yes, ma'am, we are ready.
Okay, so first of all, we need to understand that what is addiction. So may I know who will answer? Okay, obviously everyone is prepared. I want to ask from Yuvraj sir. Can you answer?
Yes, ma'am. As we know, addiction is very strong thing and bad thing for our body. As some guys having addiction of alcohol drinking, when they are drinking, then they are getting fun, but they don't know this is very impact and this is very strong thing for our body when we are drinking alcohol. So it will impact very dangerous on our body. It's my point.
Okay, so basically, addiction means a strong kind of habit which we are not able to leave, and then that's become the addiction. Very nice. We have understood that what is the meaning of addiction. I want to know some cons, some disadvantage of addiction. So, may I know who will answer? Okay, Sushant sir.
My answer is that the bad things of addiction is like from that we can get cancer. They are hurting to our health that time. And addiction is like when someone cannot stop doing something and using something, even if it is hurting to his health, time and relationship. That's my point.
Okay, that's a great explanation. With this, I also want to know that how do people get addicted? May I know who will answer? Okay, his answer.
People get addicted because of them, because they are doing again this thing. Just like some guys are having watching cell phone addicted. So they think I will use today 1 hour cell phone, but their mind think I will use more because it is their addiction. And some guys are having smoking addiction because they think it will not impact to myself. And some guys are having drinking. Just so all guys are saying about drinking, so I don't want to tell more.
Okay, that's fine. You basically mean to say that whenever we get addicted, so we are not able to leave that very quickly. So I got one question from this, that how do we know if we are addicted or not? Okay, Abu Bakar sir, you'll answer.
Yes, ma'am. I to answer this. When a person can know they are addicted. When a person show a key signs in their body. So what means them? That means they are addicted of something. They are addicted of something as like drinking, alcohols, smoking. It's harmful for us, but we can't able to drop that thing because first it's becoming our habit. We know we are thinking it's only habit. It will not become more, but it become our addiction. So we can't able to stop this. This is my point.
That's great explanation on how do we know that we are addicted or not. We will have to focus our behavioral and our daily activities, what thing we are doing more. Okay, so with this, there must be some facts about addiction. So I want to know some facts and researches about addiction. Yeah, Alam sir, answer.
Some facts about addiction is definitely abuse. It is very good point to discuss. When we have study about alcohol and drugs, when we want to drop it, so we we should go from addiction study. Now you will see. Now you will ask that what is addiction study? Addiction study is invisible to understand the nature, and it is how we learn, and we have research through biological and cultural on this. So this is my point.
Very nice point. With this, there must be some cases about addiction also, some popular cases which we must be aware of it. So, yeah, Isha sir, can you answer?
Thank you, ma'am, for passing this chance. South Korea gaming addiction. A teenager, a teenager did after playing game for 86 hours and spent an internet cafe. This led the South Korea government to set up an gaming curfew for teens under 16.
That's great. I have also listened about it, the craze about gaming, and there are some more cases like people are in the sleep also, they are just putting their hands and they are playing it. So that's a great sign of addiction. That addiction start controlling a person. As we say that addiction is a disease. So let us also know that what can be some solution about addiction. So by this, if someone is addicted, they can try to leave this addiction.
So I can answer. Avoid the places where we know the drugs and alcohol will be available. Surrounding will be with that friends who will not take alcohol and drugs, and